Okay, so here is the best way on how you can download IDM or Internet Download Manager. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can download and install that. First of what you need to do is just simply head over to your favorite web browser. And here I am, and I've already written and searched Internet Download Manager. So what you have to do is just simply be on your web browser and type in Internet Download Manager, and it will show something like this, and you have to open up the website and it will bring up this. Now right away here you have to download try IDM 30 days free trial. So it's a free trial for 30 days. It won't ask you for any money or anything. You just have to press on download and it will start downloading. So I've already downloaded, and here as you can see, if I open up the build, it says Internet Download Manager, and if I press on install, it's just going to ask me if I want to install that. So I'm just going to press on next, and then I accept the terms and condition. Just read every term and condition carefully and then press next after that. And then it will ask you where do you want to download that. So I'm just going to use C and press next again and next. And here, as you can see, it's installing now. And here we go. It's finished. If I press finish, there we go. Now it says enable extension. So here, as you can see, it's going to give you all the details that you want to do, allowing incognito and whatever. But here you go. Now you can just go to manage extension, and right over here you can find IDM. Now you just need to turn it on, and here you go. Now your IDM is turned on and you can simply use it. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.